Hey guys, my name is Myiesha and I'm a beauty director here at Sephora, and I have your holiday hair gift guide. So these are some must-haves that we've picked out either for yourself or for a friend who loves hair, or maybe someone who needs a little help with hair and you want to be really nice about it and give them something absolutely amazing. So this is one of my favorite times of year for gift sets because they're gorgeous. So I'm going to show you 7 of my favorites. So I am always so impressed with hair sets. One of the smaller ones that we have is the Living Proof All I Want Is Dry Shampoo set. So this is great for getting a gift for yourself and then also having one maybe for the car or maybe gifting one to a friend if you really want to try dry shampoo. This is a classic for straight limp hair because it's going to cleanse it as well as give it body. But if you have curlier hair like mine or coarser hair, this is something really great to put in when you maybe applied too much oil or applied too heavy of a product to sort of backtrack if you don't have time to do a full shampoo. Okay, so on the dry shampoo front, we have a gift set from IGK. And IGK is slowly becoming one of my favorite hair brands. I love the Smoke and Mirrors cleanser. So this is the IGK Get Lit Kit, and IGK is slowly becoming one of my favorite hair brands for hair care. I love the Smoke and Mirrors cleansing conditioning oil. The Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, from what I've heard, is one of the hardest working dry shampoos. Really great for someone who works out, or really great for someone who just wants to not shampoo for as long as possible but still have really great hair. And also their walnut scrub. I feel like people totally forget about their scalp and how important it is to exfoliate the scalp. So this is something that's going to help clear up any buildup, help with dandruff, and also just kind of stimulate growth of the scalp by keeping it very clean. And you're also getting a leave-in conditioner in this set. So next up is definitely a classic. So we have our Moroccanoil Ultimate Moisture Favorite. So of course, with Moroccanoil, everything is infused with argan oil, something that's deeply reparative and just really soothing and hydrating to the hair. So we have a shampoo, conditioner, and we have the original treatment oil as well as a hand cream. So this is sort of a great combination of body and hair. Something I love to keep hand cream in my car, so I feel like this set is really great for someone who likes to multitask, and the tin is really nice and you can store things in it afterwards. Okay, so Dyson and Away have teamed up again for the Dyson Blown Away Noir set. And this just means that you're getting the black Dyson blow dryer. So when you're getting these sets, it's really great because you're basically getting the blow dryer, but you're also getting the Way products basically for free. So they have the rose oil, the rose hair and body oil, something that I use almost every day. It smells incredible, but it's very lightweight. You have your texturizing hairspray, also really great when you're styling, but you want a bit more body and a bit more grit. Maybe your curls look a little bit too sweet and you kind of want to make them look a little beachier, a little bit more rock and roll. This is great to do before and after. And then in the set, you have the leave-in conditioner as well as the memory mist. The memory mist is just something that helps you keep your style. If you want to style on Monday, but keep your style on Tuesday and Wednesday, this is going to have some memory to it or hold that styling. And of course, leave-in conditioner, really great. Anytime you're using heat on your hair, you want to think about the moisture. Okay, so next we have the Amika Smooth Criminal set. So what you're getting in this set is a straightening brush. My mom absolutely loves this brush. She finds that it gives her a smoother sort of start to curling and styling her hair, and it's much easier on her. And then you're getting some styling products as well, which is why I love these holiday gift sets, because you're not only getting a tool, you're getting products that are going to help you get the smoothest hair possible. So you're getting an assortment of things, some dry shampoo, some texture spray, even a mask, and some detangling primer. So this is a great set for someone who maybe straightens their hair, wants to lessen the time straightening their hair, and this is also really great just to kind of smooth out natural texture when you don't want your hair to be bone straight. So one of my absolute favorites, Dry Bar, we have the Glitter Gang set. So this is absolutely amazing. When we had our Sephora holiday preview in New York, every single person was taking photos and video of this beautiful glitter blow dryer. I blow dry my hair like once a month and I still feel like I have to upgrade to this one. So in this set, Dry Bar makes sure every year you have the perfect essentials to get this beautiful blowout. So you have a round brush, which is absolutely amazing to get the perfect shape as you're blowing out, so you don't just get flat straight hair, you get nice bouncy straight hair. You also have some dry shampoo to maintain your blowout throughout the week. And the cool thing too is you're getting a glitter spray, so you can be as glittery as your blow dryer. You're getting a few other things too, as well as some scrunchies, and then triple sec. So triple sec is this really cool styling product that's sort of like a all in one. It's hairspray, it's texturizer, gives you a little volume, gives you a little hold as well that you can use in a multitude of ways. So this is really great for someone who maybe has their dry pore apartments, but they want to start maybe doing it on their own or maintaining throughout the week. And it's glitter. Like, you don't really need a reason to buy a glitter blow dryer for someone or yourself. So this is definitely high on my list. I'm wondering who I can gift this to. So I saved the one I would personally buy for myself for last. So this is the Briogeo Crystal Power Hair Repair Vault. So I'm a big fan of Briogeo, especially their Don't Despair Repair line. And this is basically, you're getting the entire line plus some other goodies. So in this kit, you're getting the entire Don't Despair Repair collection. What you want to start with in terms of how to use all this is it comes with a shampoo, which is great. I already took it out, so I didn't have to fumble with it, but you have your Super Moisture shampoo. So I really appreciate that this is 16 ounces instead of 8 ounces. I tend to go through shampoo and conditioner really quickly with my curly hair. So you're gonna start with this, and you're going to primarily use this on your scalp because the general rule of thumb is shampoo is for your scalp and conditioner is for your actual hair. So you're gonna run this through your hair, rinse it out, and then you're gonna go into one of the reparative masks. So there are two different ones. You have your core, sort of their bestseller deep conditioning mask that you'd put on, but they've also paired it with the treatment cap. So the treatment cap is sort of like a little shower cap that you put on your hair because, as you may or may not know, when you add heat or your own body heat or trap your own body heat with a shower cap or something like a shower cap, it's going to help the deep conditioner work better. So you can put this on. I like to throw a little turban over it as well to really trap in the heat, but you can use either one as your second step after your shampooing. Then, as you are sort of detangling your hair, I would use these two guys right here. So you have the leave-in mask and then your rose quartz comb. So this is really great because this is sort of like a feel-good, good energy, good vibes sort of tool to use to detangle your hair. And you can run the leave-in mask through it so it kind of detangles quicker, easier. It has a little bit of slip to it so your hair's not dry when you're detangling. So those are some of the holiday hair must-haves. If you're like me, you're probably going to purchase these for yourself, but I encourage you to gift to others because sharing is caring. If you have any questions about something maybe I didn't go over in the box, please ask below. And as always, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our content, and I will see you next time. Bye!